Alright everyone, so I'm recording from my phone here, record when I'm driving because that's the only time I have, to record. But anyways, so I'm making my first video here. It's just to document pretty much my journey into software engineering. I currently work as IT at an IT help desk for the government, and don't get me wrong, I love the job. Super chill, super relaxed. Working with clients remotely. I work from home, of course. And yeah, it can be a little boring sometimes, but they do have lots of opportunities to grow. And one of those opportunities is they gave me access to Codecademy, paid for by them. So I took an interest into programming just because my job early in the beginning of it required me to learn something else across training. But I realized that they needed Python as a language there. A lot of the scientists that I work with, they need it, and I decided to go ahead and learn everything I can about it, which opened up doors for me because now I'm really interested in just programming per se, and here I am now. So I'm gonna go ahead, give it a shot, put videos up, that kind of stuff, see how my progress is going. If anyone has any suggestions or any kind of tips or whatever, I'm open to it by all means. So let's see where this goes,